everyone, and welcome back to the Everyday Icon channel. I'm Tiffany, your host for the day, and today is our final series in the Everyday Icon spring cleaning series, and I chose to spring clean my drawers. Now, this behind your closet is probably the second biggest thing that you have to tackle when it comes to your wardrobe and clothes. And I think it's also great and important that you go through your drawer as well, because we tend to just stuff things in our drawer, old or things we don't wear, and can sometimes be balled up and we're looking for something and we have to toss everything out. So this cleaning your drawer is also a great way to spring clean and help clean and get rid of anything and everything that you don't need. The same rules apply for cleaning out the drawer. You're going to, of course, open everything up and take everything out of your drawers. You're going to go through everything, not necessarily try everything on. I like to separate my drawers into clothes that I wear, say tops and sweaters that I may wear to work, tops that I wear for clothes I wear for lounging around, underwear, socks, of course, and things that you may exercise in, and a miscellaneous drawer, which I actually have, where I keep like extra things of jewelry, scarves, anything like that. So you definitely want to take everything out to see everything that you have. You're then going to, of course, do your piles. You're going to do a pile for clothes that you're going to keep and clothes that you're going to toss. I usually just take it down to 2. Then you'll take everything and put it back and coordinate it, and you'll see how I actually do that. I will put tops and sweaters in one, underwear in another, jeans in another, exercise wear in another drawer, to kind of keep everything separated so I know which drawer that I can actually go to, and you're going to keep it together that way. This shouldn't take as long as the closet. This should probably take you, probably no more than an hour, taking everything in and putting everything out. So I will show you how I actually go through and clean out my clean out my drawer, and just what I do as far as that goes. So come along and let's get started. So for me, when I clean out my drawers, you can't see, I'm just trying to give you a good view, but what I do in cleaning out my drawers, and maybe you can see the bed just a little bit. Nope, can't see it. So that's not going to work. So the first thing I do, I wish I had a better way for you guys to actually see this, is I empty out all of my drawers. So I usually take my clothes and I just throw them on my bed, because that's the easiest thing to do. It's just, see how I literally have things just stuffed in my drawer. It's great. So once I empty out everything, then I'll tend to go through everything. And sometimes you also want to check the other drawers to make sure there's nothing behind there, because things do tend to fall behind the drawers. So now that everything's taken out of the drawer, and I'll show you my pile of what I have so far. Oops. This is the pile that I have so far, and with this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through each one, see what I don't wear is too small, and get rid of it. So let me put this back here. I just go through, I still have things like this t-shirt here, I still have this tank top, I still have price tags on. I can't even tell tell you when I bought this last. So anything that I'm going to keep, I tend to fold it and put it to the side. And I try to keep them coordinated together with what drawers I'm going to put them in. So if they're t-shirts and tank tops that I wear, say on weekends, things like that, I'll put those in one pile and then put everything else in another pile, because then when I put them back in the drawer, it's easier to put them back in the drawer that way and saves time. All right, and just like that, I have folded everything that needs to be folded, got rid of stuff, and I think I will probably actually get rid of more stuff because I think I saw some duplicate shirts, but I'll figure that out as I go back in. So now that everything is folded and I've gone through everything, the next step is I will put everything back in the drawers. Now when putting things back in the drawers, I like to separate them from, say, I have a pile of clothes here that I would use as workout clothes. So I would put these in the far right hand drawer at the bottom. And then, say for example, with my jeans and some shirts, depending, I would put these in the bottom left, the bottom drawer at the left, on the left. So that way I keep everything separated, and then the middle two drawers are the clothes that I can wear to work or out. They're a little more dressy. And then of course my underwear and jewelry and I call it a catch-all drawer. So now I'll go ahead and I will put, and I wish I could show you guys how I do this, but now I can. And this right here is an example of what the drawers actually look like. Then there's the bottom. And there's another one, another bottom one. And I'll open up that one. So that gives you an idea of what everything looks like. And then, of course, I have my pile here of clothes that I have thrown away that I will actually get rid of. And there you have it. That was just a little bit of what I do to clean out my drawer, and it also ends this month's spring cleaning segment. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, or have tips on how you spring clean every year, just put that information in the comments below, because I enjoy reading everybody's comments and will respond back. Also, I want to let you know that next month we'll be talking about beauty. I think I like the idea of having a different topic for each month. So next month we'll be talking about beauty. If you have any topics that you would like me to discuss either next month or in the future, of course put them in the comments below. And also remember to just like and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys next week. Have a great rest of the week.